What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today I'm coming at y'all with an outfit video for the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. I have 5 outfits for y'all. I don't want to waste no time, so let's go ahead and jump right in. But first, I want to make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. These outfit videos do take some time to do, so I would appreciate it if you just smash the like button right now. Let's go ahead and get into the fits. So let's go ahead and get into outfit number 1. The gray hoodie with the splashes is from Your Cool Wear, and it's called the Splash Hoodie. It has like these paint splatters on them, or like paint splashes, I guess you could call them, on the hoodie, at the bottom of the hoodie. I think it's pretty cool. If you haven't heard of that brand before, Your Cool Wear, they're actually a pretty popular brand, and I found out about them through YouTube. They used to do like a lot of promotions where they would send YouTubers different things, so that's how I found out about them. And if I had to compare them to anybody else that y'all are probably more familiar with, it would be in line with like Minimal and Uniform Studios, where you get the really trendy, hype items at a lower cost, and they're much more available. Like if you look at the site, everything is in stock. They have all the sizes, so you don't have to worry about waking up early to get a particular hoodie or a particular pair of cargo pants or something like that. They have everything in stock. Y'all could go ahead and check it out. But yeah, the gray hoodie with the splash effect, the little paint splatter, I think is dope. The black cargo pants are from Rothco, and I have talked about Rothco before on this channel. I've mentioned them multiple times, and I've used them in multiple grids because they really do just make the best cargo pants at that price point. They're like $34.99. You could pick them up from Zoomies, Tilly's, the military supply store, a lot of different places you could pick up these sweatpants, and they make them in short, regular, and tall, so you can get a pair that really fits you and they hold up great. I have these in the camo colorway. They are my favorite camo cargo pants, and I have a lot of camo cargo pants. These cargo pants are very popular among skaters, so that should already tell you just how durable they are. I did go ahead and throw on a hat just because I felt like the outfit was a little plain, and y'all know I like my fitted caps, so I went ahead and I threw in this Fear of God black cap. This is the one with the green UV, and this is actually in stock, full size run on multiple websites like MLB Shop. I believe it's Champs. I think it's Champs. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put a link down below in the description, but a lot of places have these, and they're in stock in every size, so you don't even gotta worry about paying no crazy prices on StockX right now. They have them for you available. It's a really clean hat. You can't go wrong with a black hat with a green UV. Now, obviously, if you don't like fitted hats, you could go ahead and switch it up, do a snapback, do a dad hat, whatever the case may be. But like I said, I felt like the outfit was missing something, and I think the fitted hat just brings it together, in my opinion. On to outfit number 2. The t-shirt is actually from a website that I've never shopped with before, but I did check them out. I looked at some reviews, and they are legit. So the website is called Trill Market. They carry a lot of different like brands, a lot of different things, and I think at first that's what was throwing me off, because they carry so much stuff. But I did find this t-shirt, and I think it's pretty dope. So it's like a washed out black color, and then you have that royal blue, more like a teal blue actually, yeah, teal blue graphic on there with the woman, and it says phases at the bottom. I think it's clean. I think it's dope, especially on the washed out like black t-shirt blank. I really like the look of it, and I think that it goes great playing up the yellow in the sneakers, because yellow and blue are complementary colors, so I like pairing them together. I already know someone's gonna be like, those don't match. Not everything has to match. Sometimes complementary colors instead of matching colors directly is the best way to go. So the jeans are actually from Abercrombie and Fitch, and this is their 90s straight leg vintage wash denim. Let me make sure I got that right. Yeah, it's Abercrombie and Fitch vintage denim in dark gray wash. That's actually what it is. I'll link it down below in the description. So these actually have more like a straight leg 90s fit to them, which is exactly what I wanted, because as you can see, I went ahead and I threw in socks with this outfit, which is something that I don't normally do. Y'all know I like my socks black and white. But for this outfit, I thought it would be cool to switch it up and kind of match the socks with the color in the shirt. So the socks are like a Nike sock, and it's that same teal color. I don't know if the socks have been dyed by the seller or if they were, you know, manufactured by Nike to look that way. I believe they were manufactured by Nike. Nike started doing a couple runs of colored socks. I think this is one of those. I'll link it down below in the description because I found them on Etsy. They say the best things happen outside of your comfort zone, so this is definitely an outfit that I would wear, even though it's not like 100% in line with what I wear every day, I still think that the outfit came out dope. I love the socks, like the pop of color and how they match the t-shirt. I think it came together really nicely, but y'all can let me know down below in the comment section what y'all think. Getting right into outfit number 3, which is probably my favorite out of the 5. Obviously, I like all 5. I put them together, but outfit number 3 is definitely my favorite. Like, that's something that I would throw on today and just go outside and be fine in. I don't put anything on these grids that I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing myself. I just want to say that I stand by everything that I put up on these grids. The t-shirt I use for this grid is from a website that I recently found through Instagram. It's called Sasha from France, and I did go ahead and pick up a shirt from them. I bought the Fast and Furious tee if anybody wants to go check it out after the video. Obviously, that's not the one that I use for the grid. For this grid, I'm using their San Andreas tee. San Andreas is one of my favorite video games. It is the best Grand Theft Auto, hands down. I don't care what anybody says. Yeah, the graphics are trash now, obviously, because we're in 2021, but it is still one of the best video games. So that's why I went ahead and included that. I really like the design of the t-shirt, and I try to wear things that are in line with my personality or things that I like. So I just went on a whole rant about how much I like San Andreas. Obviously, it makes sense that I would wear a San Andreas t-shirt, but I do have an alternative for those of y'all who don't play video games or really aren't interested in San Andreas. The cargo pants are from Realtree. Realtree makes some really good cargo pants. These are the ones that you can pick up straight from the website. It's just the Realtree cargo pants, not the jumper, not anything else off the website. It's just a Realtree cargo pant, and I'll link it down below in the description so that you can make sure you're picking up the right one. I think these cargo pants are just fine, especially at the price. They're like 40 bucks on the website. You really can't go wrong with that. And I like the Realtree camo with the Lightning 4. Obviously, you can go with any camo. If you don't like Realtree camo, you could just go regular, you know, green, brown, and like black camouflage, but I like the look of the Realtree with this one. If you want to take it a step further and you don't want to get, you know, the base pair that's on the website, you could check out Grail, do your research a little bit, and you could find a vintage pair that I personally think look a lot better, but I might just have to pick up one from the website because I can't find a vintage pair in my size. I went ahead and I threw in a fitted hat with this one because if I was wearing this fit, I would definitely be wearing a fitted hat. And the one that I was drawn to that I think looks good with this fit is the traditional just two-tone Oakland A's hat. Now you can pick this up from MLB Shop. They have a lot of different ones. You can get the dad hat if you don't really like fitted caps. You can get a snapback, whatever the case may be. I like this one. It's just a standard on-field hat, so it has like the gray bottom. You could pick up some other ones if you want. Like I said, they even have the one with the upside down Oakland A's symbol also on MLB Shop. Now, like I said, I do have an alternative for those of y'all who don't like the San Andreas tee. I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out for this Michael Jordan tee, which I'm sure that we can all get down with, especially since they're Jordan sneakers. Now, this t-shirt has a little bit of red in it, and it kind of changes the look of the outfit, so I took out the hat because the hat doesn't really match as much anymore. It matches with the San Andreas tee more, with the Michael Jordan tee not so much, so the hat is gone. But this Jordan homage tee is pretty fire. A lot of people are doing homage tees right now, especially to Jordan. You know, they're doing Jordan Carhartt tees, all types of different Jordan collage tees, so on and so forth. This one I think is pretty clean, and it's at a good price. Normally these homage tees can range anywhere between like $60 to $100. I'm even seeing them at now. This shirt I believe is $45, and again, it comes from France, so you will have to wait a little while for shipping, but I think for the price, that's kind of a good deal. Outfit number 4, let me remind y'all that this is probably not an outfit that you're gonna wear when it's 90 degrees outside. This is an outfit that you're gonna wear when it's a little cooler, or maybe you're going outside at night, because the overshirt is a faux leather overshirt, which even though it's not real leather, it's gonna heat up just the same, if not get even hotter. So you definitely don't want to wear this on a 90-degree day. Overshirt is from Zara. It's their faux leather overshirt. Now I feel like this static image, the flat lay image, can look a little bland, so I'm probably gonna include some on body like outfitted pictures from the website so y'all can get a little bit more of an idea of how it's gonna look on you, the way that it's gonna fall, so forth and so on. Underneath that, I have this H&M. Was it H&M? No, it's Urban Outfitters. The t-shirt is from Urban Outfitters. It's their smiley face graphic tee. If y'all haven't seen the trend of like smiley face t-shirts going on right now, Balenciaga's doing them, Palm Angels is doing them. Everybody has like a smiley face t-shirt right now. So I went ahead and I wanted to play off that trend, because if you like it, you like it. You know, now you know where to get one for a fraction of the price. That smiley face tee from Balenciaga is like $1,000. This one from Urban Outfitters will give you the same look at a fraction fraction of the price. So that's why I went ahead and included that, because I know it's a very trendy thing right now, and I actually do kind of like the look of it because the sneakers are yellow, so you get a little bit of that yellow somewhere else in the outfit. The black jeans are from American Eagle. I feel like black jeans are included in almost every like outfit video that I do, but that's because you can't go wrong with black jeans. But I try to switch up where I get them from, like where I take the pictures from. So these are actually from American Eagle. I went with American Eagle this time because I think that they're good priced for the quality, but the jeans are also very, very comfortable. Like that's the top thing that American Eagle is concerned about with their jeans, is comfort and stretch. So if you've ever tried on a pair of their jeans, they feel a little bit different at first. They don't feel like leggings. I'm not going to drag it and say that they feel like leggings, but they're definitely way more stretchy than like your regular H&M denim or any type of denim that you get from anywhere else, because they have a little bit more polyester, I think, in them, but they make for a very comfortable and durable jean. I used to wear them at work all the time because I knew I was going to be up and down steps doing this, doing that. So it's a really good jean, and that's why I wanted to switch it up from the usual, you know, black Levi's, black H&M denim, and throw in something a little bit different, the American Eagle black denim. And obviously that's not to say that you have to get the black jeans for this outfit from American Eagle. Switch it up, get black jeans from wherever you want to get your black jeans from. Get any of these pieces wherever you want to buy them at, wherever you find similar items in your price range, whatever the case may be, or use items from your closet that are similar to these. They're just ideas, they're inspiration to give you a place to start. If you want to copy the outfits one for one, that's fine. The links will be down below in the description for those of y'all that want to do that. You can also wear this outfit with a plain white tee. That's probably how I would wear it. If I was to wear this outfit out to a bar or out to the movies, whatever the case may be, I would definitely wear it with a white plain t-shirt. I included the smiley face t-shirt because, like I said, it's a trend right now, and I know a lot of people are liking that trend with the smiley face shirts. So if you like that, you know, go ahead and wear the graphic tee, but I do like the look of it with a plain t-shirt. You could also try tucking the t-shirt into your jeans. It gives the outfit kind of a different vibe than when the t-shirt is untucked. Last but definitely not least, because it's probably one of my favorite outfits from today's video, is outfit number 5. Now on top, the sweater is from Abercrombie & Fitch. It is their pullover or popover sweater. I'll leave the link down below in the description, in this burgundy color. The thing I like about this sweater is that so many people are making, you know, just plain leisure wear right now. You have Fear of God Essentials, you have Talentless, so many different brands. The thing I like about the Abercrombie & Fitch, I was gonna say American Eagle, Abercrombie & Fitch sweater, is that it doesn't have any branding and it's at a good price, and I know that they're quality. So yeah, that is the Abercrombie & Fitch burgundy pullover. I love the way that the burgundy looks with the lightning fours, that yellow and the burgundy. It's a good look together in my opinion, especially broken up by the H&M cargo pants. This is the H&M cargo pant in the color khaki green. I just think that the whole outfit, the colors just all work together really well, so that's why I set it up this way. These are cotton cargo pants, which is my preference. Nylon cargo pants can sometimes look a little cheap, they look a little shiny, so normally when I'm picking up cargo pants, I lean more towards cotton cargo pant. The fitted hat that I included in this outfit is the same fitted hat that I included in outfit number 1, which is the Fear of God just black cap that you could find on multiple websites right now in your size. It's a black hat with the green UV. You really can't go wrong with it. It's a great hat to have if you're a fitted collector, or even if you're not a fitted collector but you know you think of fitted hats as a accessory to your outfit. This would be a good pickup for you. Now for those of y'all who don't like the way that the burgundy and the yellow work together, I got you. That Abercrombie & Fitch pullover hoodie actually comes in a yellow. I'll go ahead and throw that up for y'all now. So the yellow with the yellow sneakers, for those of y'all that like to be matchy, there it is, there you have it. If it is your first time seeing my face, I upload new videos every week, sneakers, streetwear, everything in between, like I said. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button already, I have to ask, what are you doing? Make sure you hit that button because you don't want to miss out on any of the new content. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out on the next one.